All right, the tools menu is very simple. Of particular note in here is the new terrain wizard, which is a very easy way to create a new terrain. It'll just ask you some basic questions as to where you want the terrain and how big you want it. And as you click next, it'll build that terrain for you. Also, you have the check map for errors window, so you can look and see if you have any primary problems in here you need to take care of, such as your kill Z may need to be set or rebuild your paths. Anything that you ought to look into is going to be listed right here inside your map check. Now, there's some other things here as well, such as cleaning up your BSP materials to make sure you don't have any stray materials on surfaces that are touching each other, replacing your skeletal mesh actors, and regenerating any procedural buildings you have. But generally, these are all very specialized options that you'll only need in very specific circumstances. So that's a quick look at the tools menu. Thanks.